I'm going to show you a way to take your long videos and instantly turn them into TikTok-ready, audio-synced clips without spending hours in an editor. If you have ever manually cut a long video into short, punchy TikToks while trying to sync them to a trending track, you know just how annoying that process can be. The good news is there is a much faster workflow that feels genuinely magical once you get the hang of it. Okay, first thing you need to do is pick the long video you want to turn into short posts. Perhaps it's an interview, a live stream, or a long vlog from a recent trip. For this demonstration, I am using existing hiking footage I shot over several weekends, featuring many different clips, scenes, and candid moments. Normally, I would be staring at a timeline trying to manually find all the interesting parts. But that is where this tool comes in. So you simply upload your full-length file into the software. It processes for just a second. And then the artificial intelligence scans the footage, looking for key moments, like audience reactions, smiles, or loud audio spikes. The system then auto-generates a bunch of short candidate clips ready for review. These aren't just random snippets. The AI surfaces the parts that have the highest chance of performing well, based on pacing, audio spikes, and visual interest. You can think of this as having a highly effective assistant who already intuitively knows what content could potentially go viral. Now, you might be thinking, why not just use the native editor within the TikTok app itself? TikTok's creation suite is solid. You can add sounds, auto beat markers, and even drag clips around to try and make things work. But if you've ever tried repurposing an hour-long video inside that app, you'll inevitably hit walls because manual trimming becomes tedious. It is also hard to quickly preview dozens of clip variations, and multi-platform scheduling is basically a non-starter for many users. Other popular tools like CapCut or Descript are great for editing, but they often require a ton of manual input or don't handle cross-platform publishing well. This specific platform bridges that gap by combining discovery, editing, and publishing in one place. Back to the workflow. Once the AI has generated those ready-to-post clips, you can preview them rapidly in a clean, feed-like view. Each clip displays a short thumbnail preview, allowing you to quickly swipe through and keep only the ones that immediately feel right. From this preview stage, you get to choose and apply the trending audio you want to use for your clip. You can either import the exact TikTok sound you are currently using or pick from the platform's integrated music and sound library. What is really neat is that the system analyzes the incoming audio and suggests clip cuts that align with the beats and rhythm automatically. If you prefer to micromanage the specifics, the platform lets you edit those generated beat markers manually as well. You can easily hit play, scrub to a specific part of the audio, drop a custom beat marker, and adjust clip lengths to hit that perfect musical snap. However, 90% of the time the auto-sync is already really close. So I usually just accept the suggestion and make just one or two tiny final tweaks. This whole process is significantly faster than dragging multiple clips by hand inside a native social media app. Another feature I really love is how easily Vizard lets you completely reshuffle the generated clips. Perhaps the AI picked 5 great moments from your video, but you want a totally different narrative order. Just drag and drop, swap a clip to the front, and the transitions remain perfectly smooth. If a beat still feels slightly off, you can nudge the clip length with a simple slider, or even split one clip into 2 for a snappier cut. The ultimate goal here is to keep the vibe completely natural, like a friend's highlight reel, not some robotic, disjointed montage. Let's discuss scheduling next, because this is often where many content tools completely trip up the user experience. After you finalize your set of clips, you absolutely do not have to manually post every single one individually across platforms. This platform features an auto-schedule function. Just set your posting frequency. And it will queue and publish the clips according to that exact plan. You can tie this schedule to any platform you wish, and yes, TikTok is fully supported alongside YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. That feature truly frees you from the daily grind of posting while ensuring your output remains consistent, which is honestly where most creators start losing momentum. And because managing content can get messy, you can organize everything within the platform's content calendar view. The calendar displays all your scheduled posts, lets you drag them to new dates, add captions, assign hashtags, or even swap in a different trending audio file. Need to batch edit captions or change the thumbnail for a whole group of clips at once? That is incredibly easy to do, and this calendar view makes it feel like you finally have complete control over your publishing strategy. Now, for a quick comparison, Descript is awesome for transcript-based editing, but is a bit clunky for true social native formatting, and its auto-posting pipeline isn't as polished. CapCut is free and powerful for manual editing and TikTok integration, but you are still doing the overwhelming majority of the heavy lifting yourself. Some newer auto editors claim to do everything, but they are often prohibitively expensive and lack truly useful cross-platform scheduling features. This tool lands in that sweet spot: automated clip discovery that actually finds watchable moments, simple audio sync, and a built-in scheduler that skips extra steps. Here is a small pro tip. When selecting trending audio, try to choose a section of the song that has very clear beats or vocal hooks. The AI does a great job with beat matching, but if the audio is just ambient background with no real punch, it's hard to make crisp edits that grab attention immediately. Short clips that begin with an interesting visual or a strong opening line always tend to perform the best, which the AI usually picks automatically, but favoriting them helps. If you want to push the customization even further, the platform also includes a batch captioning feature and reusable caption templates across different video series. This is incredibly clutch if you run a recurring format like a daily tip or a weekly segment, because you can apply a style and then just tweak the copy slightly for each new clip. Save a few caption templates, and you will dramatically cut down your entire post-production time for every piece of content. Okay? Let's quickly wrap up the whole process. Upload your video, let the AI pull the highlights, select your audio, auto-sync the cuts, tweak a few things, and then schedule everything to publish. In terms of pure time savings, what used to take an entire afternoon now takes just 15 to 30 minutes for a whole batch of content. Because you can shuffle clips, edit lengths, and schedule everything in one location, your content pipeline stops being a headache and starts becoming predictable. If you are serious about building content consistently, whether you are a solo creator or a small team, this workflow will save you time and get more eyes on your work. It is certainly not a magic button that guarantees viral views, but it completely removes the friction that stops most creators from posting frequently. All right, that covers everything from me for now. If you would like to see a full walkthrough where I upload a 40-minute hike and turn it into a week's worth of TikToks live, drop a comment and I will make that video. Until next time, keep creating great content and don't let the editing process be the thing that finally kills your momentum.